Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit, and healthy. Welcome to our English session. Today, for grade 4, from textbook Grammar Cloud, I have taken the chapter number 3, that is kinds of sentence. Because in first chapter we have done the sentence. Okay, now we will learn about the kinds of sentence, or you can call types of sentences. Okay, so in sentence, what we have learned in chapter 1, that is the sentence is a group of words in proper order that makes a complete sense. Okay, and it ends with a full stop, question mark, or exclamation mark, and it always begins with a capital letter, right? So we will come to our third chapter, that is kinds of sentences. Okay, or you can say sentence is a group of words arranged in a proper order to make complete sense. There are mainly four kinds of sentence, or there are four types of sentences, right? Let us learn types of sentences or kinds of sentences: assertive sentences, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences, and exclamatory sentence. Let us learn in detail. Assertive sentence, a sentence that declare or assert a statement, feeling, an opinion, or an event, is called an assertive sentence. Okay, an assertive sentence is state that something is called, says or states something. It indicates a proper sentence. Okay, like I have fever, so you can know that I have fever. It states what happens. Okay, this is called assertive sentence. Assertive sentence ends with a full stop, and it also called declarative sentences. Okay, they can be either affirmative or negative. Okay, let us see examples. Yash goes to school every day. A teacher is respected by everyone. Aryan enjoyed the day camp. The fruits look fresh. She is a careful driver. In all the sentences, you can see that in the first sentence, Yash go to school every day. You know that Yash is going to school every day. That is a state of saying something, what a noun, or okay, noun doing, right? And next is a teacher respected by everyone, means a teacher, okay, who a teacher, okay, and he is respected by everyone, right? It states about something is happening to now. Okay, now we can see next interrogative sentences. A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. The statement which call with the sentence which are that ask question, we can see that they are asking a question. Okay, so interrogative sentence begins with the question words like do, does, did, when, how, where, what, which, who, and why. So this sentences start with the question word do, does, did, when, what, where. Okay, and questions are called interrogative sentence. They always ends with a question mark. Okay, you can see in a sentence that if question mark is given, that means you have to give the answer in it. Okay, for examples, what is your name, question mark, right? Number 2, whose notebook is this? Or number 3, how is your health? Number 4, where is she? Number 5, do you like pizza? In all that you can see what, whose, how, where, do, they all are question words. Okay, and it ends with a question mark. Okay, interrogative ends with a question mark and start with the question words. Okay, next we can see imperative sentences. A sentence that expresses a command, advice, or request is called imperative sentence. A sentence that states that a command is given, an advice is given, or a request is given, it is called imperative sentences. For example, you can see, please give me that book. I am requesting, please give me that book. Number 2, walk carefully. It is an advice to you. Okay. Then sit down in your place. This is a command. Take proper diet. This is also an advice. If in a sentence you can see something expresses a command, gives an advice, okay, and requests to somebody or to do something, okay, that is all is called imperative sentence, and it ends with a full stop. Okay, next, last is exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentence express a strong feeling or an emotion. Exclamatory sentence, you can see, gives a strong feeling with an emotions, right, and it ends with the exclamation mark, you can see in the bracket, right. For example, we can see, then we can know what is exclamatory sentence. Hurrah, we have won the match. What a beautiful picture. You are the best. What a delicious food. And all that you can see of exclamation marks given. So it has a feeling. Hurrah means we have a feeling about that, we expresses something good, okay, to celebrate, right. And if we say that what a beautiful picture, wow, to show my imagination, okay, you are the best, it's express my feelings about you are you are very best, okay. And what a delicious food, yummy, we say yummy, but delicious food about, right. Like I can give you example, alash, to express grief or pity, okay. Oops, we say something oops, to acknowledge your own mistake, we do the mistake but not by intentionally, okay, so that is a oops, sorry, okay. Ouch, to express an acute pain, okay. Ouch, that bee stung me, means we express the feeling of pain, okay. These all are about kinds of sentences, right. So students, I hope you like this chapter. Please read the chapter once and watch the video carefully. Thank you everyone.